A massive rally has now been confirmed. I want to go over what I am looking at, why I am saying this, what kind of data does suggest what I am saying. We are also looking at the chance for a quite substantial gamma squeeze, especially if a lot of people continue to buy these options that are just out of the money, expiring this Friday. We are seeing a big move as we currently speak, up 5.26%. This move is likely to continue throughout the rest of this week. We are also just going to go over the intraday update, look at the Ortex data, obviously the technical analysis, which supports this rally, the option chain, the stock tracker data, which also supports the rally. But we have to talk about what AMC is now doing that even has the Motley Fool saying bullish things about AMC. This is a real shocker. I think it's a great thing for the future of AMC. So let's not waste any time. Let's get straight into this video. If you guys are new here, my name is the Creative Investor, or Tyler, whatever you guys want to call me. But if you're here to grow your net worth as fast as possible with all of the best opportunity stocks and options or trades, you came to the right place. Consider subscribing to the channel. But let's get straight into this video. And what I mean by AMC confirmed this rally is due to the fact the 50-day moving average, as you guys can see right here, has been right on $40 per share. It actually did start curling up since AMC did start to go up as well. But we now have these three green candles, and like I said, 50-day moving average at the $40 price. So once you break out above this, that is a huge sign on a technical basis. If you were a trader, you would want to be initiating a position right about now in AMC. And if I was not in AMC, I would be initiating a position right now. You also have Benzinga saying that, take a look at this, Apple, Amazon, AMC entertainment stocks confirm this bullish trend. What to watch for? And if we do go down to the AMC chart, AMC is trading in a large pennant on the daily chart, with the lower ascending trend line of the pattern currently guiding the stock higher. AMC's uptrend began on October 6th at the 35.59 level. The stock then put in a higher low on October 13th and bounced up about 15% higher over the 3 trading days that followed, and closed the trading day on Friday with a higher high at the $40.74 mark. And that 50-day moving average, like I said, is very, very key. So you're seeing a lot of traders, you're seeing a lot of volatility, and the volume is coming back into the stock. As well as that, on the stock tracker data, you are seeing 140,000 calls that are out of the money, expiring this Friday, October 22nd, and you're seeing about 34,000 calls that are currently in the money. But yet again, on this option chain, it only goes up to the $95 strike, and you are seeing most of this open interest being held relatively close to the money. You guys could see 6,000, well, I mean, we did have quite a bit of contracts go into the money today. Obviously at the $41 strike, 7,300, 5,800 at the 42, at the 43, about 6,400. But at the 44, 45, you're looking at 6,400, and then 13,000, 4,000, 3,500, and about 3,000. But at the $52 strike, which is just out of the money if we continue on this, bullish rally, 17,000 for open interest, 10,000 at the $50 strike. So you guys get the point. A lot of this open interest, most of this is really concentrated in between, the next $10 move. So we could see a substantial gamma squeeze. We are also seeing some of the options last week, especially that $40 strike, with about 30 for open interest, probably being hedged for today as well. So I don't think anything can stop this bullish rally. I would be very surprised if we don't hit higher than $53. If we don't, continue and hit a higher high, very, very surprising. But I am not a financial advisor, not a financial planner or your dad, and anything can happen with AMC or the overall market. Some bad news could come out tomorrow with the company or the overall markets and send us back down. But I don't expect that, as we do also have earnings coming on November 1st, and that will also help crush the short thesis even more. So what am I talking about when we are talking about the Motley Fool? So AMC is bringing the NFL to the big screen. At 40 theaters across 25 markets, AMC will show one NFL game in each market that isn't available on local TV. The games will will be free for fans to watch, but there's a catch. You must join AMC Stubs, its membership service, and buy a $10 food and beverage gift card. The company is starting small with the initial rollout and could potentially expand it to more theaters if it likes the results. Showing sports on the big screen has the potential to turn around the long-running decline in movie theater attendance. From 2002 through 2019, movie tickets sold in the US and Canada decreased from 1.575 billion to 1.239 billion, according to Statista. And that was before the pandemic onset. There's no telling if the pandemic will cause a further decline over the long run. Fortunately for AMC, as the world is making progress against the Rona, movie theater attendance keeps hitting post-pandemic records. The challenge will be for AMC to get attendance to return to pre-pandemic levels and grow from there. Interesting, most NFL games are played on Sundays, with the occasional Monday night and Thursday night games. Moviegoing is usually most prevalent on the weekends. Friday night, Saturday, and Sunday, therefore, while an excellent start, showing NFL games arguably does not have as great a potential as other major sports that have more games during the week when moviegoing is not as plentiful. And then it basically is saying this is a right step in the right direction. You guys, no doubt there's a long way to go, but this is certainly a step in the right direction. And this is what a lot of analysts are starting to say, something that I have told you guys, and I've seen a lot of people saying this now, especially if you know anybody that has access to the Bloomberg terminal. When they're talking about AMC, it's, you know, the valuation is not too far off. That's probably why you're not seeing a lot of shorting. And if we do go to Ortex and take a look at what is actually going on, you are seeing the short interest going up a little bit, but it's not going up that much. You're seeing the free flow on loan that is staying pretty much the same, actually went down a little bit. So some of these shares were actually returned, only about 269.4 thousand. The data is quite wonky right now with Ortex, but we're looking at 17.74% short interest of free float, 90.71 million shares that are sold short. Share utilization is at 87.83%. So all of the signs here point towards a bullish rally, and this is confirmation of this rally. You couldn't get a better confirmation than what we have going on right now, and I do expect a gap up here in the next coming days, if not by the end of today. It has been very, very volatile. But something else I do want to point out, if you guys are not subscribed to the channel and you have not heard this so far, back here in March of 2021 we had a 60% rally upon earnings. Back here obviously in May, 1 month later, we had a 1000% move after earnings, and then back here August 9th, the last earnings, we had a 100% move after earnings. So earnings is November 1st. I am expecting a big move the next couple weeks following that. So probably, you know, mid-November, you're going to be looking at the peak there. You're going to be substantially higher than where we are at right now. So congratulations to all apes. This is the intraday update and everything you guys need to know. Hopefully you guys understand how this confirms the rally. And just the last thing I want to say is the volume. We are only about 2 hours into trading today, and it's already at not even about an hour 45 minutes into trading, and the volume's already at about 21 million. So you are seeing a lot of volume, just like we indicated. If this volume does come back to life, we start seeing hundreds of millions in volume. That's really where you get the big rally. But that is going to be all for this video. Hopefully you guys got some value out of it. Hit that like button for me. Consider subscribing to the channel. Let me know down below in the comment section, what do you guys think about this information? Is this a pump fake? Is this a major breakout? Are we going to hit all-time highs here soon? Let me know your guys' opinion on this. What are you guys thinking? As well as that, if you guys do want to support the channel, link for Webull, link for Public, and the link for the buy and sell alerts. If you guys want to be notified every time I buy or sell stock, options, and or crypto, day trades, swing trades, or long-term investments. So that's all. I will see you guys in the next one.